Hello, in the previous video I explained the steps of executing a test case using GUI. Now in this video I will explain the steps to execute the test case using TestOps for load testing, which was prepared in the second step. To start the execution, click on the Execute Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on the Via TestOps button. Under that, click on the API button. It will open the Jenkins in a new tab. As I mentioned earlier, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job in the Jenkins. Click on the job name. So from the left panel, click on the Configure button. Now scroll down and you will find Build, under which you will find the Execute Windows Batch command. The default parameters will be set to as iterations as 1, virtual users as 1, and ramp-up period as 1. You have to edit the parameters as we are performing the load testing. The parameters can be set to as iterations as 2, I'm setting it, and virtual users as 3. And click on this Apply and Save button. Now click on the Build Now button. It will start the building process. Under the build history, click on the build number. From the left panel, click on the console output. Here you can see the building process details. Wait till the building is completed. Now the building process is executed successfully. Now close the Jenkins. Now go to the folder location where you have saved the test case. For that, open the Windows Explorer. So under the TON folder, you will find the API testing folder. Under API testing, you will have TestOps. Under TestOps, click and open the demo_ton. Under this demo_ton, you will find a folder name with the same name as the test case name. Under this folder, you will find the Newman Reports folder. Here you will find the number of HTMLs called result.html. The number of HTML will be same as the number of virtual users which we are given in the Jenkins. For an example, I'm showing for result_1.html. In this HTML, you will find the number of iterations, the number of requests that have been sent to the server, and all the APIs that have been recorded in the first step. So the number of iterations were given as 2, so it is 2, and the number of requests are 20. So that is per iteration, it takes 10 requests. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the 20 APIs. This is how you have to execute a test case for TestOps. In the next video, I will explain how to analyze the results of the test case which is executed in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@TestOnNeed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.